On this stone, I see a drawing that looks like ancient rock carvings from Earth. Of course, it is impossible to say with certainty that this is not a trick of the eye, but such a drawing cannot be accidental. My imagination tells me that here is a picture of an astronaut, although there can be anything. Still, we understand the rock paintings of the Earth because they were drawn by our ancestors, but on another planet, it is almost impossible to guess what it is because we do not know anything about life on Mars, whether it was at all. This thing does not cause any doubt, it is definitely something artificial, similar to the clamp connector. The most amazing thing is that this object looks very old, even ancient. If you look closely, you can see a screw that sticks out in the middle. I just don't even understand how this is possible, because it can be found on Earth, but this is Mars, which is now empty on this surface. I think this thing is more than 100 years old, although I may be wrong, and this is a fragment from the unsuccessful launch of the device to Mars. I think you have already seen this find in my other video, but I want to show you not a find, but one curious thing that is connected with it. This creepy statue, which resembles a ghost, is terrifying, and probably if you look at it closer, it will be even scarier. So, this place, where the statue is located, can be viewed from two more angles, which I will now show. Don't you think it's strange that it's not there? If it looked like a living thing, I would have no doubt that it had escaped, but it is something like a statue. This picture was taken with a difference of 4 Martian days, and I just do not understand where this horror has gone. Of course, there is a possibility that NASA just erased it, as well as many other things. It is also not here, but it seems to me that it was erased before publication by specialists from NASA. In this picture it seems to be noticeable. This photo was taken by the new Perseverance rover. As you know, it landed on a place that in the past was the bottom of a sea or lake. Perhaps there was life in this place, and this sculpture sank millions of years ago and survived only thanks to the low density of the atmosphere and low temperatures. I wonder what this sculpture depicts. This thing looks like a scepter, but in reality it can be anything. For example, it could also be a petrified tree root. However, there is no doubt that this is something interesting. If we could look at it and investigate it, it would be very valuable. Perhaps one day it will be taken for research. I know it's not a lever, but it's still a strange thing. Perhaps this is some piece of the mechanism that was the lever. Still, this is not our planet, where we can explain and understand everything. Here, if there was life, it is a completely different culture, different from Earth. Therefore, this find can be anything but a simple stone. It is something interesting.